Ever been on a crucial call, only to realize the person you're speaking with actually needs to talk to someone else on your team, or perhaps a different department entirely? Maybe it's a customer support inquiry that requires specialized technical assistance, or a sales lead who's better suited for a different account manager. The last thing you want is to tell them to hang up and call another number, or worse, fumble around trying to figure out how to connect them seamlessly. It's frustrating for everyone involved, and it can significantly impact your professionalism and customer satisfaction. This is a common scenario in any business that relies on effective communication, and it's precisely why understanding call transfer features in your communication platform is so vital. If you're using RingCentral, you're in luck. RingCentral offers incredibly robust and intuitive call transfer capabilities that can transform those potentially awkward moments into smooth, professional handoffs. We're talking about more than just pressing a button. We're talking about empowering you to control the call flow, ensure your callers are always connected to the right person, and ultimately, enhance your business's efficiency and reputation. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into exactly how to master call transfers within RingCentral. We'll cover everything from the basic direct transfer to more advanced options that provide a truly seamless experience for your callers. By the end of this, you'll be able to confidently transfer calls like a pro, ensuring no caller ever feels lost in your system again. So, let's break down the different ways you can transfer calls using RingCentral. The first, and perhaps most straightforward, is the direct transfer, sometimes called a blind transfer or cold transfer. This is your quick and easy option when you know exactly where the call needs to go, and you don't need to speak to the recipient before connecting the caller. To perform a direct transfer, while on an active call in the RingCentral app, whether it's your desktop or mobile version, you'll typically see a transfer or more icon, often represented by 3 dots. Click or tap on that, and then select Transfer. From there, you'll be prompted to enter the number or select the contact you want to transfer the call to. Once you've chosen your recipient, simply select the Transfer button, and RingCentral will immediately connect the original caller to that new destination, and you'll be disconnected from the call. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's perfect for those straightforward handoffs. Now, while direct transfers are great for speed, there are many situations where you need a bit more finesse. That's where the warm transfer, also known as a consultative transfer or ask-first transfer, comes in. This is arguably the most professional and customer-centric way to transfer a call. With a warm transfer, you get to speak to the person you're transferring the call to before the original caller is connected. This allows you to provide context, explain the caller's issue, and ensure the recipient is ready and available to take the call. Imagine the difference this makes for your customer. Instead of having to repeat their story, they're greeted by someone who's already aware of their needs. To initiate a warm transfer, again, while on an active call, you'll click or tap the Transfer or More icon. This time, after selecting Transfer, you'll enter or select your recipient, but instead of immediately hitting Transfer, you'll look for an option like Ask First or Consult. When you select this, RingCentral will put the original caller on hold and dial the recipient. You'll then have a private conversation with the recipient, explaining the situation. Once you've briefed them and they're ready, you'll see a Complete Transfer button. Click that, and RingCentral will seamlessly connect the original caller to the recipient, dropping you from the call. It's a fantastic way to ensure a smooth, informed transition for your callers. Beyond direct and warm transfers, RingCentral offers a few other incredibly useful transfer options. One that often gets overlooked is the ability to transfer to voicemail. This is incredibly handy when you know a specific person is unavailable, or if the caller simply needs to leave a message for them directly. Instead of letting the call ring endlessly or forcing the caller through another menu, you can send them straight to the intended recipient's voicemail. The process is similar to a direct transfer. On an active call, go to your transfer options, enter or select the recipient, and then, crucially, choose the To Voicemail option. RingCentral will then direct the caller straight to that person's voicemail box. This saves time and ensures the message is delivered to the correct individual, even when they can't answer immediately. Another powerful feature, especially in busy environments, is Call Park. While not a direct transfer in the same vein as the previous methods, call parking allows you to temporarily park a call in a virtual holding spot, allowing any other user within your RingCentral system to pick it up from any phone. This is perfect for situations where a specific individual might be tied up, but another team member can assist. To park a call, while on an active call, you'll typically look for a park or call park option. When you select it, RingCentral will announce a specific extension where the call has been parked, e.g., call parked at extension 801. You can then verbally relay this extension to a colleague or use your internal chat to notify them. To retrieve a parked call, another team member simply dials that announced extension. It's a fantastic way to ensure calls are always answered and never dropped, even when the original recipient isn't available. It's also worth noting that RingCentral often integrates these transfer options directly into its heads-up display, or HUD. If you utilize the HUD, you can often see the real-time availability of your colleagues and initiate transfers directly by dragging and dropping calls or clicking on icons next to their names. This visual interface can make managing and transferring calls even faster and more intuitive, especially for teams working closely together. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Familiarizing yourself with these transfer methods through practice is key. RingCentral's interface is designed to be user-friendly, but like any powerful tool, a little hands-on experience goes a long way. Take a few minutes to explore the more or transfer options in your RingCentral app, and perhaps even do a few test transfers with a colleague. This will build your confidence and ensure you're ready when a live call comes in. Understanding and effectively utilizing RingCentral's call transfer features is more than just a technical skill. It's a fundamental aspect of delivering exceptional customer service and fostering efficient internal communication. By mastering direct transfers, warm transfers, transfers to voicemail, and even call parking, you're empowering your team to handle any call scenario with professionalism and ease. You're ensuring that every caller reaches the right person at the right time, minimizing frustration and maximizing satisfaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.